How to solve integral cube root x dx. First of all, we will convert cube root into its power. So it will be integral x raised to power 1 by 3 dx. After that, we will apply x raised to power n dx formula integral, which is x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Here x has power 1 by 3. Therefore, in the next step, we will write x raised to power 1 by 3 plus 1 over 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay. After that, we will take LCM of 1 by 3 plus 1, which is 1 by 3 plus 3 by 3 over 1 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus c. In the next step, it will be equals to x raised to power 4 by 3 over 4 by 3 plus c. After that, we will reciprocate the denominator because we want to convert it into multiplication. Okay, so it will be 3 by 4 times x raised to power 4 by 3 plus c. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. I will post more like this. Okay.